Hi guys, it's Sheila Murphy here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, since I receive a lot of compliments with my hair whenever I curl it, so I decided to share to you guys my secret and how I curl my hair. So keep on watching! So today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to curl your hair from this to this. So first, I'm using my Tangle Teezer. So this is really good if you have a very thick hair like mine. I really recommend for you to use this Tangle Teezer, which is we actually got this from TK Maxx. So yeah. So first step, you just need to brush your hair. So I'm just brushing it from side to side because I have quite long hair. And I cannot do it like from the back all the way, so that's why I'm doing it from here. Okay. And then now that I totally brush it, so I really recommend for you to guys use this Tresemmé Heat Defense Care and Protect. So this is really good. So I just need to spray it in my hair. So you need to spray it to your hair before you will gonna curl your hair or whatever you're gonna use to curl your hair. So now I just need to divide my hair into two. I got this from Poundland for 4 pieces for £1, so not bad. So I just need to divide it into two. Just make a knot like that. Okay. And then I just need to brush it and divide it into two as well. So here you go. And I am using this Dodo curler. I actually got this from AliExpress. It's been 2 years now, I guess, and it's really good. I'm not sure if it's Dodo or DNDO. I'm not sure, but anyway, I'll just put the description below on where you can buy it. And it actually has 5 dimensions. So this one that we have is a 32mm, and this one is 25mm, and this one is 19mm, which is really good as well if you really want to have that kind of curly princess hair. And then we have the 1925mm and this 0918mm. So this is really good if you want to have a kinky kind of hair. So I also use this a lot. But since the topic for today is how to get a volumized curly hair, so I'm using this 32mm. So there is actually a slide button here. So if you want it, like, this is the off, and then if you want it medium heat and then high heat. So careful when you're using it if you are using it in a high heat like I'm doing right now. So a big volumized curly hair, so I'll just get a small section into that divided hair, and then make sure that it is far away from your face, because maybe you're gonna burn yourself or you burn your face, which is not good. So you just need to do like this and like that. So make sure as well that your finger is away from that heat, because there's a lot of times that I burn my fingers and I burn my my hands. If you can see this one, I actually got it from this curler, so you need to be very careful. And also for those that has a thin hair, make sure, because if you can see, it's really hot, so make sure not to burn your hair as well. So we just need to repeat the process, and I'm doing it on the opposite side, I mean on the other way around, just like that. So now that I'm done with the first batch, I just get another section of my hair, and then the one which is done, I will just flip it as well, so it will not go with the one which is not done yet. I just need to brush it again before I'm gonna curl it again. So you just need to do the process again. So you just need to repeat the process. I'll just repeat the process. I'll just put clip on here, and then so you just need to hold it for at least 15 to 20 seconds. It actually depends, because so now we're on the last section of my hair. Done, guys. So you just need to brush it, repeat the process. This actually looks good. So now we will gonna use the inset hairspray. Okay. So I will spray it in my hair. Fingers to just separate it so it can give really good volumized hair. So in this video, I am not using any extension or whatever. I'm only using my natural hair. There you go. So I love to separate it in this side. That. And sometimes I actually do this as well because it really looks so sexy. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video will help, and if you do have any questions, please feel free to message me or comment down below and let me know your thoughts. If you want me to use the other dimensions of curler wand I have, please comment down below. And if you do have any product recommendations for me to use for my hair to make it look more gorgeous, please comment down below and stay tuned for my next adventures and tips. So thank you so much guys. Cheers!